When I started my business, it was with little or no capital. It wasn't easy for me, but when I discovered this little money I'm having in me, we soon finished. I decided, let me start something with it. I went to the market because I have passion for selling stuff, and I purchased some okrika cloths. I started selling them. Within a week, I finished all this thing and I made a profit that surprised me. And I was wondering, wow, so I have been wasting off all this while. And I don't know that people will buy my idea and be buying my goods. I was encouraged with the mode by which people purchase my goods. I went to the market again to go and get another. And before you know what is happening, I started making hundreds of thousands in this business. This is a confession of a young lady that's just finished serving her father's land. And when he thought of what she can do, she started that business. I've heard a lot of people that started little business with little or nothing. But as time goes on, they started increasing, and before you know what is happening, they become their home boss. And you also, this might be what you have at the back of your mind, and you have been nurturing it, looking for a way to how to start, but you might not know. And the spirit has been moving you, go and start something, go and start something. And you might be thinking, how am I going to start something when I don't have anything? My brother, my sister, you can start something today. You need an encouragement. If nobody is encouraging you, encourage yourself. Think of what you are passing through. Do you have helper anywhere? There is no helper. You do have an uncle in America or in politics that can give you big money. If there's no, you need to stand up, arise and face the challenge. Face your Goliath and ensure that you overcome. And we can overcome. That is the reason I'm welcoming you into today's topic, step-by-step guide to set up small business, part 1. And how do you do that one? Listen quietly and ensure you follow all the guide that I will be bringing. Small business is what majority of Nigeria have started now. Because of the situation of things in our country, things are not moving on, and now the new government has taken over, praying and everybody believing that things will work out well. And while you are waiting and you are hopeful, why are you wasting away when you can start something? Just to name after your own self that have started something, you need to arise. If the government will be good to everybody, it is not when you are sitting at home doing nothing that the government will come and be good to you in that house. It is going to be either the policy is going to put in place that will favor your market. That is the reason you need to stand up this time around. So starting a small business can be exciting and rewarding venture. And here, I want to show you the step-by-step way in which you can start that business, in which you have been dreaming of, you have been thinking of. Now, what are the way in which you can start this business? I will be mentioning some steps and I will be explaining it to you as we go. Number 1, identify your business idea. What do I say? Identify your business idea. Identify a business idea that aligns with your passion, your skills, and market demand. Research the industry, target market, and competition to validate your idea feasibility. Yes, when you identify your business idea, what do you love? What do you have passion for to be doing? Some people it is cooking. Some people it is to be selling stuff like a cloth. Some people it may be cream, hair cream. Some people it may be other things, shoes, bag. What do you have passion within you in which you think you can do? You need to do what? Identify your business passion. When you identify your business passion, it is then you can move. You take the move. Now the second point. Create business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target markets, products, or services, market strategies, financial projection, and operational details. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. All these things you need to put in place to ensure that you have a good start Don't just jump into a business today. There are some people they jump into a business. Within a month, 2 months, 3 months, they'll be tired. It's not moving. I cannot continue. I need to quit. And they will quit everything finished just like that. No, you need to have a passion like what I've earlier said. Have a passion. You create a comprehensive plan. How you start, where are you going to send selling them, and how are you going to sell them, and which strategy are you going to use? You need to make a research on your own. How do you make research? You can go around people that are selling all these stores. How are they selling them? What is their price? Now check your own goods. If you are selling at the same price, will people patronize you? Or what are the ways in which I can take that will make people to prefer me to others? You are entering into a competition, and that your competition must be healthy, and you must not go into the extent in which you yourself will be running at loss in such a way to get a customer. At first, you may not even get huge profit, but don't worry, keep on moving. So number 3 now on the steps is conduct market research. Like what I've said, you need to do what? Go out there. How are the people doing it? People that have been into it, you might have a customer that you might have been, buying from before this time. It might be far away from where you are living. You can go to him or her, my friend, this is your business, I really like it. If I also want to start now, how can you put me through? He may be happy or she may be happy to put you through and tell you some things and how to go about it. By the time you are getting all these things, doing all this research, you are gathering experience and wisdom on how to go. And where he or she couldn't reach, you can go beyond that place. So gather information about your target markets. Which type of business do you want to do? Which type of that one? Or the moment you know it, yes, who are your targets? Is it young people, children? If it is children stuff, it is a teenager or youth, it is an adult. Now you conduct a research. Who are the people need this thing? It's like a problem. When there is a problem, you want to solve the problem. And in solving problem, you make money. Yes, you gather information about your target market, including demographic, preference, buying habits, and competitors in the market. This will help you to refine your business strategy and differentiate yourself in the market. It's as simple as that. You can't just go to school and be wasting off. You must have an idea. If somebody that couldn't even complete O level are doing this business and they are making it, how much more? You're having certificates. So conduct a market research. It's very, very important. And the 4th one there is determine your legal structure. Determine your legal structure. Define your legal structure. What do I mean? You need to decide on the legal structure of your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company or corporation. Consult with a lawyer or an accountant to determine the most suitable option for your situation. That is the structure. Is it only you? Do you have the capability of what you're having passion for? Or should I team up with one person? I have a brother. In his business, they gather themselves, about 10 of them, and buy some machine in which they are using to make more money. And they are trying to buy this machine one after the other. They were about 10. And their projection is to get 10 machines. And that is, if tomorrow they want to break up, each person can take a machine and they start their own. What they've known can never be a problem to them again by the time they started. So you need to determine what your legal structure. Is it sole proprietorship, or I should partner with my friend so that we'll be able to pull up our resources? Is it limited liability company? The company you want to continue. Maybe you want to be producing. Maybe it's the soap, cream, other things. When you start small, tomorrow you can be selling good, bigger one in which it may be going beyond your state, going beyond your country, export into other Africa countries or elsewhere where they will need your goods. So you need to do what? Determine which one you want to do. Consult. You need to consult a lawyer or an accountant to determine the most one that you think it will be suitable for you. And after that one, what is the next step? Register your business. It's very, very important. Register your business. You need to register it. You need to have a name in which people will know you for. Not today, I'm ABC Limited. Tomorrow, it's like the ABC Limited is not good. Let me change it to SYZ or PQRS or STPQ or whatsoever. You have a business name registered. That one is very, very important. This one will set you on a path of progress, on a path of identification. They will be able to identify you in the market world. You have a name, you have a brand. And anywhere you go to, ABC Nigeria Limited, if it is limited, or ABC Venture, all these things very important. You need to register your business name and obtain any necessary license and permits required by your local government. These may include a business license, tax identification number, sales tax permits, or health and safety permit. All this one is very much important as far as your business is concerned. So therefore, when you put all these things in place, you are good to go. And you don't have any problem in all these things, my brother, my sister. So starting something today is very, very important. So that is where we are going to stop for today. And very soon I will be uploading the part 2 of it that will tell you about the establishment of your brand, secure fund, how to secure fund, how to set up your physical or virtual location where you'll be using. That is be the one that we will see in the next part. And in the part 2, we are going to conclude this topic. And by the time you start, this will be a guide that will help you. So watch out for part 2 of step-by-step guide to set up your business. And I want to implore you, if you enjoy this lecture or this topic in which I'm giving to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, I'm expecting your comments, what I need to put there as well. So subscribe so that by the time I bring up this next topic, you'll be able to know that it's there already, and you'll be able to watch and learn so that your business can start in earnest. And I promise you, I won't stay long before bringing the part 2 of this business. It is a step by step. So subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell, and keep watching out for the next part of this topic. Thank you, and God bless you.